Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for clicking on EU20AZO. So here we have SCALA in a 1.5 automatic in race blue. So this here is the SEL trim. It has rear sensors and virtual cockpit. Here we have the dashboard, we have the infotainment system in the middle, and then the virtual cockpit and the DSG gearbox. Here's the back seats. And the boot of the vehicle. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.